Today we are creating fresh cucumber rolls, a light and inviting snack, perfect to refresh your summer days. Ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, 250 grams of ricotta, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh herbs finely chopped, thin slices of prosciutto, optional, and some thin strips of sun-dried tomato for garnish, optional. Start by washing the cucumbers and slicing them into very thin longitudinal slices with a mandoline. Prepare the filling by mixing the ricotta with oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and then add the herbs. Lay out the cucumber slices, spread the flavored ricotta, leaving 2 centimeters free on one of the short sides. If you want, you can add a strip of prosciutto on top of the ricotta before rolling. Gently roll up the cucumbers, and if necessary, secure them with a toothpick. Garnish with sun-dried tomato for an explosion of color and flavor. Remember to subscribe to our channel to discover new recipes and visit our website so you don't miss out on the secrets of Italian cuisine. In Italy, we adore ricotta stuffed with herbs to make fresh and tasty appetizers like these cucumber rolls. A light pleasure full of flavor. Enjoy your meal.